Introducing BIM-content.com, the building design industry's premier resource for free quality-controlled BIM content. Developed by BIM content specialists IGS Group in collaboration with leading architecture and design practices, BIM-content.com is one of the world's fastest growing resources of project design assets, with BIM content available for thousands of building products in Revit, ArchiCAD, SketchUp and AutoCAD formats. For designers, BIM-content.com is a trusted platform to access free BIM content built in line with industry best practices, ensuring it delivers high-quality outputs and performs well in a project model environment. Whether it's accessed via BIM-content.com, a manufacturer website integration, or the free BIM-content.com Revit plugin, all content aligns with the same consistent standard, helping designers save time, increase accuracy, and streamline project delivery workflows. For manufacturers, being a BIM-content.com partner allows you to reach a fast-growing community of architects and specifiers, and includes everything you need to promote, manage, support, and analyze use of your BIM content by designers. When your products are easier to specify, they'll be specified more often. Providing high-quality BIM content via BIM-content.com not only makes it easier for designers to document and specify your products, it puts them at the fingertips of thousands of building design professionals and within the technology protocols of the industry's most prominent and discerning architecture and design practices. Don't get left behind. Partner with BIM-content.com today to create and deliver your BIM content and get more of your products into more projects.